So guys, I have bought the Bajaj sandwich maker. It is the cost of 2000 rupees and they give me discount 15%, so it will be 1800 for me. Before on the sandwich maker we have to prepare all the things like cutting salad and seasoning also. So first we have to apply Fun Foods tandoori mayonnaise or burger mayonnaise. Then we have to add our salad such as cucumber and tomato and onion. Then sprinkle some pasta and pizza seasoning. You can also spread oregano, and now I am applying cheese slice, and now sprinkle some chili flakes on it and some seasoning. Then cover it with another bread and put it in the sandwich maker and press it. And you have to apply butter also. And we have to wait 1 minute to make our sandwich perfect. So after 1 minute my sandwich is ready. You can open the sandwich maker and check it within the sandwich is ready or not. It is ready.